What's up, everybody? It's your girl Kia Flo, and I am coming to you with another video, a Flowtainment perspective video. I know y'all missed those, and I miss them as well. But as the world is opening up, I am opening up as well. And I went and did a show back in January with Sofar, and this is just a little bit of, the magic that was made that night. So I hope you enjoy, and make sure you are subscribed to Flowtainment YouTube with your notification bell turned on so you're updated whenever I upload a new video. I got a lot of stuff out now. We got Behind the Song, we got Flowtainment Live, Flowtainment Now, and you can always catch up on your WKFLO rhythm release where the flow just don't stop. But without further ado, y'all go ahead and check out this video. Peace.
This energy flowing. I know it's cold outside, but it's Friday and y'all came out here. Either you got a job or you don't, and if you don't have a job, you need to get one, because people out here hiring, okay?
Hey!
People's out here hiring. Y'all need to get a job, okay?
I need a job. I need one to the
I'm
bar.
tired of waiting in the drive-thru for
kid?
an hour because y'all don't want to show up. I'm sick of this.
Dreaming. As the clouds disappear, I would much prefer to be dreaming. Don't wake me, lover, I mumble and curl myself in the covers, my shield from the world. Give me 5 minutes more. There's a drum fill on the album right there, so now
I was born, better take over the city, watch out for the swarm. Sneaking up on you like a shot of warm liquor. They try to buy my mind confined behind desk, cause pockets get in line, no time, no rhyme, no rest. On my light bulb in a dark room, searching for energy. Now in the baton of a conductor of a symphony. Energy divide by providing overload, your sensory music is in my DS, right? No good acid, it's chemistry. I can do no things through Christ who strengthens me. More than a conqueror, even when my pockets empty. Look, most of y'all fold under pressure, can't handle it. Rappers put words on tracks, I paint canvases, but most of all I ain't no trick. Most of all I ain't no trick, and I'm intricate like King Kendrick.
Guess I was. With no desire to resist, I smiled and relaxed my body to submit. I couldn't believe that this moment was actually happening. After he finished doing his business with me, I sat trying to contain my feelings and control the commotion transporting in my head. The worlds created collision. We had crossed those paths never to be undone. Chocolate factory faded out, and I was ready to go home. We got ourselves together and headed to my side of town, but the entire ride there, I never made a sound. I sat on the passenger side, looking out the window, questioning my decision.
but I suffocate myself. I could plaster on a smile, but I cannot reconcile myself. It sounds so easy when I say it out loud, but then I'm alone and my thoughts resound. It all makes sense when I speak love to you, but love for myself doesn't make it through. I could preach about my power, but then let myself devour every instance where I'm bad.
For me, you are for me. Me and my people, we demand equal. All we see is evil, but you work for me. And that's supposed to work for me. Yeah, that works for me. Look, they want me to cast mine. That's their whole fast too. Then they go and blast my soul. Oh yeah.
But I want you to make sure you drive safe. But before you do that, before you walk out this door, make sure you support the artist. Now, see Jenna over here, I know she probably got something to say, because she be up on it. So I'm gonna slide on over here and let her do her thing.
I need y'all help with this one. Listen. You won't always have a good day. Yeah. Listen. You won't always have a good day. Sometimes you gotta flip it your way. Yeah. And there won't always be sunshine. Sometimes you gotta play in the rain. You gotta roll with it, roll with it, roll. Hey, you gotta roll with it, roll with it, roll, yeah. You gotta roll with it, roll with it, roll. Yeah, you gotta roll with it, roll with it, roll. 'Cause you don't always have a good day. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta flip it your way. Yeah. And there won't always be sunshine, oh no. Sometimes you gotta play in the rain. Yeah, you gotta roll. It's your part here. Go roll, roll. You gotta roll. Come on, roll. Let me hear it say roll, yeah, roll. You gotta roll, roll. Listen, you gotta roll, roll, roll. You gotta keep the meeting, spit out the bone. You can keep the streets, man. I'd rather stay home. You can't beat the heat of your mind's war zone. Better not contact wrong.